Oliver. Food, Oliver. Come on, phone, cooperate. Behave. Stay. I guess that will do, huh? Say hi, Oliver. Say hi, Oliver. Look at the phone. Oliver, over here. Come, look. Come here. Look, Oliver. Look. You're looking out the window, Oliver. Oh my goodness. Oh, you didn't see the phone. Okay. Unbelievable. Changing, or actually installing a deadbolt. Installing a deadbolt. Oh, come on, bag, open up. To have a girl like you is truly a dream come true. Out of all the fellas in the world, you belong to me. And it was just my imagination running away with me. It was just my imagination running away with me. And every night on my knees I pray, dear Lord, hear my plea. Don't ever let her fall in love with another man, for I will surely die. Oh, heavenly, but in reality, she doesn't even know me. And it was just my imagination running away with me. It was just my imagination running away with me. I need to get to work. Oliver, where have you gone? Oliver. I need a smaller tip. Oliver. There you are. How are you? He don't see you. Here's Oliver. Meow. You wanna go look and wander around in the garage for a while? I am gonna go get I'm gonna take you with me. Oh. Huh. There's a screwdriver. I need a little tip. Probably like a number 1. A number 2 would be perfect, but we do not live in a perfect world. Well, I don't know. I'm open to the idea that it's perfect already. I'm in pain, but I believe that it is still perfect because of Father, because I'm a believer, because I'm a Torah dude. Yeah. Well, I'm disappointed because I don't see a number 2 tip, but hey, I think this is my tape measure. And I think this is my screwdriver. They're in somebody else's tool bag. That's okay. What's up? Talk to me. You're lonely? I'm lonely too. Let's keep each other company. What's up? What is it? Hang on. What's up? What's up? Oliver. Oliver. Oliver.